Hey TechKnowStuds, and when I say studs, I mean both students, and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. When we have two switches that are connected together, we have a link between them that's passing traffic, but one link may not be enough. We may want to incorporate multiple links, but of course the problem is with our loops that we create, and how do we utilize those multiple links? Well, there's an answer to that, and that is with ether channels. So in this module, let's go over what ether channels are and how to configure them on our devices. We'll kick things off getting into link aggregation, and we'll take a look at what link aggregation looks like. After that, we'll get into different protocols that will automatically configure our links to aggregate them together and create more bandwidth, or create what we call ether channels, or at least Cisco calls it ether channels. Then we'll get into configuration of ether channels and how we would configure it. We'll talk about port priority and its role in the configuration process. We'll get into loops and a possible loop that could be created when you implement ether channels and how to avoid that. And then we'll wrap things up talking about how to configure routed ports to be ether channels.